Welcome back to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's lesson, we'll be drawing our final ellipse and we'll be drawing also the tangent and normal. We thank you for joining us. We will start in the video. To get a tangent to the ellipse, what you have to do is find a midpoint from V, which is a vertex, to P, right? So P is the other vertex on the right hand side. So what we'd have to do is draw a line, a construction line from V to P, enter, and then at the midpoint we draw a line vertically so we can get the minor axis, okay? So we're gonna draw a line from the midpoint here. You go line, turn on ortho. All right. So this distance would be half of the minor axis, okay? All right, so we are going to construct a tangent and normal to this ellipse, okay? All right, so we have to measure the major axis which would be VP. So we're going to go linear line and we're going to measure from here to the space above there, all right? All right, so half the major axis was 68.48 divided by 2 is 34.2. So what we need an arc from here. So we're going to go center start. So center will be here. The radius that we want is 34.24. Enter. Right, so we'll come around. We need to turn off the good. Right? See the point coincide with the focus. All right, so we're gonna choose a point, this point over here, right? Our point over here, we're gonna construct the tangent to this point here. So we're gonna go line from this intersection to there. We're gonna join it to the focus over there. Enter. All right, what we're gonna do, we're gonna bisect this angle, okay? So we go arc, endpoint, and this radius we're gonna make it 10. 10. All right, yes, we're gonna make it 10. Or make it yes, we make it 10. All right, so here this coming around, that is the radius. We're gonna mark another arc from these where the arc intersect the two lines that we drew from P. Let me label this point P so that you can follow along. So single line text, this point right here is P. All right, let us move it out of the way. So we're gonna move, select all objects. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna continue marking the arc there, right? So we go arc, so it will be here, radius will be 10. Good, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Radius would be 10. Good. Where the two arcs intersect, that would be the, gonna change it to the construction layer. So we're gonna draw a line from here to there, enter. We can extend it. So this line is a normal, all right? So what we need now, we need a right angle to the normal, right? So we can extend it. Yes. Then we can move the letter P a little bit out of the way. Right there, okay? So this is a normal. So we're gonna construct a 90-degree right here. And this is how you would get the arc. So this is how you would get the tangent, right? So we have the normal. We can actually, all right, so the radius here we want is 10 again. So we go center, 110, enter. And we're gonna go all the way around. All right, enter. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna mark another set of arcs from here. The radius will be 10. There it is. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So we go center, radius is 10, enter, and there it is. All right, so we're gonna move this P out of the way. All right, so I'm gonna select this. So we're gonna go move. All right, so we have it here. So we're gonna mark an arc from this intersection, and this radius will be 10. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side where the arc is. So we're gonna come here center. This radius is 10. And we'll come like that would be the intersection and the 90-degree for to form the tangent. So we draw this, enter, and then we can extend it if we want. So this is actually the tangent. All right. So that is how this. So this is our normal. Let us label it. So go to our text layer, single line text. Gonna turn off objects now. We're gonna come right here. Enter, enter. This line is a normal. Or we can rotate it if we want. Enter. The base point would be right here. And this is a normal. All right, so the tangent would be this perpendicular line. All right, so we can, let me see what we can do with it. All right, let us extend it. And then here now we can go to a single line text or indicate that this is a tangent. All right, so we're going to rotate it so it is in the same direction as the. So I'm looking for rotate, enter, base point right there. All right, so that's our tangent. So here we have completed the requirements for today. We drew the ellipse, the tangent, and the normal. And what we're going to do, we're going to put the tangent and the normal on the outline layer. All right. So this brings us to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of the ellipse, the tangent, and the normal. In the next video, we're going to draw the hyperbola as a conic section in the frontal plan. So join us in that video. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the completion of the ellipse, the construction of the tangent and the normal. And in the next video, we'll be looking at the conic section. We'll be sectioning the drawing to show the 2D drawings of the cone that was cut. We thank you for joining us and please take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.